In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a subscription on a website with general guidance. Whether you're new to the world of online subscriptions or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help make the process clear and straightforward. First things first, you'll want to start by going to the official website of the service you're interested in. This might seem obvious, but ensuring you're on the correct site is essential to avoid any potential scams or mishaps. Once you're on the homepage, you'll typically notice several options at the top of the page. Look for buttons labeled pricing, plans, or subscribe. These are usually highlighted or easily visible because they guide users to subscription options. Click on one of these links to continue. Now, you should find yourself on a page that outlines different subscription plans. Take a moment to review these options. You'll often have the choice between a monthly or yearly plan. Consider what best suits your needs and choose the plan that works for you. Remember, some services offer discounts for opting into a yearly plan, so keep an eye out for any such offers if you're planning a long-term subscription. Next, you'll need to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. For new users, setting up an account is straightforward. You'll likely be asked to enter some personal information, such as your name and email address, and to create a password. If you've used this service before, simply log in with your existing credentials to save time. Once you're logged in, or have created your account, it'll be time to enter your payment details. Most websites provide various payment options, so you can choose what's convenient for you. Popular methods include credit or debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes other services like digital wallets. Make sure to enter your information correctly to avoid any payment issues down the line. Before you finalize the purchase, take a moment to review your billing summary. This summary will give you an overview of your selected plan, any taxes or fees, and the total amount due. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm or Start Subscription. This action will initiate the subscription process and complete your purchase. The final step is to check your email for a confirmation or receipt. You should receive an email from the service detailing your subscription details and a transaction receipt. It's always a good idea to keep this email for your records in case you need to reference it later. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a subscription on a website. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and maintain your subscriptions with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate the process smoothly.